Hey, so last week I had a conversation with the internal communications leader for a known organization, and her concern is pretty much the same concern I've been hearing over and over from similar leaders, similar organizations, and it just happens. And it's the relationship with IT. And the problem I often see is that in the end, you guys have different priorities. When we talk about communication, we talk about engaging with people based on their emotional motivators, based on their context, based on their concerns. So we want to connect with them to support their experience, to bring them from here to here when partnering with your organization, with our organization in general. And the reality is that IT has, generally speaking, in most of the cases, different priorities. In an ideal world, they should be there to support your business goals and also the business goals from other departments. At a practical level, this doesn't happen. So here are two practical things that you can do to avoid having that fight or constant combat with IT, so that then you can achieve your business goals when communicating, when engaging with your internal audience. And this comes after years of experience working with both internal audiences and external audiences, helping other organizations connect, engage with their people. Two practical steps. Number one, gain independence. For instance, many internal communications leaders use spreadsheets instead of using the not super updated tools that have employee data. Obviously, you need to do this taking into account all the legal and compliance requirements your organization enforces. For instance, many of our clients use spreadsheets to automatically create personalized videos to emotionally connect with their employees on a one-to-one basis and at scale, to just explain complex information like benefits, compensation plans, and so on through personalized videos at scale and automatically. They do not need IT involved in the process. They use spreadsheets that they already have access to within their legal and compliance requirements, obviously, to create these videos at scale. And my team also often takes care of the video design and all those little details, let's say. My second recommendation is that you need to get IT on board. The way you do this is by helping them understand why whatever you need from them is a priority, often with numbers. IT doesn't understand things like emotional connection, doesn't understand things like employee engagement, doesn't understand things like why an email open rate or why people attending an event, etc. is important. They don't see those things. Both of you have different mindsets, and that's perfectly fine. Chances are you have a creative mindset, a creative approach. Chances are that you really care about people, right? Am I right there? But it's not that they don't care about people. It's that often they see things from a legal, a compliance, a technical perspective, and something they do understand is numbers. So if you tell them, look, last year turnover cost us $2 million, £2 million, €2 million, whatever your currency is. We want to decrease that by 10%. They will understand that. They usually understand numbers. They usually understand structured things. And they usually see risks and potential issues that often creative people don't see at a glance. So if you work together, you will reach to a point where you can better serve your internal audience. You'll have better access to tools, technology that will help you optimize your processes, and therefore you'll both achieve the specific business goals set for your department, your team, your division, whatever, and theirs. That's a better approach. That's an approach I've seen working over the last years when organizations use video personalization, for instance, to engage with their people. I hope this finds you great. If you have any questions about this, simply let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.